What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Maunte, and I'm back with another video, y'all. Now, today, man, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna be a little chill vlog, you know. Ain't nothing too much planned, for real. Right now, I'm ready to head to the mall. We're gonna buy some shoes. You know what I'm saying? Lately, I've been treating myself, cause I don't ever treat myself. Y'all know what I'm saying? I just be working. I don't never treat myself. And I said I was gonna do a lot of stuff, and I ain't do it. So now it's like, why not? You know what I'm saying? You only live once. Just go have some fun. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, ready to go buy some shoes. I might go get my speakers installed. Like I did say I was gonna install them myself, but I might go get them installed today. I'm not really too sure. But shoot, I know I do gotta go pick up another amp, cause I was talking to somebody that got speakers, and he was telling me like I'm gonna need another amp for the door speakers I got. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna take y'all with me, go pick up that amp, whatever. And other than that, I ain't got nothing too much else planned. So whenever I'm doing something interesting, I'll put the camera back up. I realize what you meant to me. Now that my only choice is to miss you. For no sympathy, I'ma make my heart cry with this pistol. Just looking at my history, think about everything that I've been through. Think a risk for free, they take a risk. Get reimbursed for this pistol. I was afraid when I take a risk, I get reimbursed for this pistol. Hold on, y'all. Oh yeah, that look way better. What the fuck? Anyways, goddamn. I made one little stop. I went to this little DTLR and just to check it out, cause I ain't really want to drive all the way down here to the mall. They ain't have them, so I want to wait to the mall. You know what I'm saying? But look, let me tell y'all, right? So I had got off work earlier today. I went home and everything. I went home and everything, right? So then I was trying to look up, like, cause I want some custom plates for my car. So I don't know, like, if I should get my name or should I actually get something or saying or something. Cause my name's 6 letters anyways. I mean, I'm pretty sure it could be longer, but I don't know. I really don't know if I want my name or I want some hard shit. I don't know. What y'all think? Like, y'all should give me y'all opinion. Even though I know y'all not gonna comment, you know what I'm saying? But y'all should comment, though. Y'all should comment for me, you know what I'm saying? I don't even care y'all talk shit to me in the comments. I'll reply. I ain't gonna take it to heart. You know what I'm saying? Nah, ain't, you know. But yeah, man. I'll pick it up I'll put the camera back up when we get in the mall. You wanna fucking love. Alright, y'all, so we in the mall. I really don't really want to record, honestly. In all honesty, because it's like, this mall dead as fuck. Lame as shit. And nothing in this mall. Alright, y'all, so that was a little quick in and out. You know what I'm saying? Got the shoes, as y'all see. Y'all can't really hear me, but alright, y'all, like I was saying, so I got the shoes. I don't like being in like places for a long time, honestly. Like, I'm an in and out person. I don't fuck with that shit. Like, if I don't gotta be there for a long time, what's the point? I'll waste 2 hours in the store when you go in there for one thing. Y'all see what I'm saying? So, got the shoes, whatever. I already wear them, matter of fact. I already put them on. Check this damn floss in my damn mouth. It's just the right way to know red 6s. Y'all probably seen these before. It's just alright though. I ain't gonna lie, at first I ain't like them. And then, I don't know, I started seeing them more. So, I looked at it as a sign, just go ahead and get it. Why not, you know what I'm saying? It ain't gonna hurt. The material, I don't like the material though. I did not know it was suede all around the shoe. But it's straight though. I don't know if y'all can see it, you know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know if y'all fucking with it or not, you know what I'm saying? Type shit. I mean, it's my choice though. So it really don't matter. But they fine though. They cool. I really don't be having shit to talk about. Like, if y'all know me, it's not that I'm a quiet person, but it's like, I don't just talk out in the open to myself. So I'm not talking to myself, I'm talking to y'all. So it's different. It's just, you know what I'm saying? Still getting used to it. But right now, I'll probably go pick up the imp. Oh shit, I did not know y'all look like that. Connection. I'll probably go pick up the imp. Is connected. Probably go pick up Bree, you know what I'm saying? Or go see if I go get my speakers installed. So I'll hit y'all back. As of right now, I'm outside of, I don't even know what you want to call it, but this one place, I really don't know what's the place called. I don't even know if it got a name or not. All I know is a couple people came here to get their speakers installed and everything, you know what I'm saying? That's what I'm getting done today. So right now, I did forget to show y'all how put my tweeters in. I'm ready to show y'all right now. So if y'all see on that side, y'all see that speaker? So I put that in. Y'all see the wire hanging out because I didn't wire it nothing. I'm gonna get my speakers put in. Now I forgot to do this side, so I'm gonna show y'all how to do it. So you pop this off. I did it before. I think I have to open my door. Damn, I need to go get mine. Okay. So you pop this off. There we go. And then if you got some short, I can't really do this in one hand. Hold on. All right. So if you got some short, you put this. Upside down. Shit. Yeah, I can't see it like that. But yeah, so if you got some sharp, you gotta put it on the opposite side of this. Y'all see that? On the opposite side of this, so you can get this out. So basically, it's like a little pinch clip, something like that. Just push it down in there on it. And hold on. There you go. Y'all see it? So push this down. Like this. You just take it out. Alright, once y'all got that taken out, so y'all see this right here? What you do is put some sharp in here and just pry it open basically. Just lift that side, lift this side, and then lift this side. Yeah, I can't get this side. And then when you pry out through those sides, this should come out. There you go. And I got that out. So what I did was, first of all, I took this off. So how the hell did I take that off? Oh, so these clips, y'all see these? Y'all see these little clips right here? Get this one, got 3 of them, I believe. Just push those in, and the front should come out. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. There, 1, 2. Alright, bingo. 1 hand. Alright, now y'all got the hole. Y'all see it? Y'all got the hole and everything. So then, after you do all that, you go get your tweeters. So let me go get it out my trunk right quick. Alright, so I got my tweeters, you know what I'm saying? So boom. First, what I did was, let me flip y'all right quick. So first, what I did, I unscrewed this, take this off. You know what I'm saying? Well, I didn't do that first, and I'm gonna buy shit. It would have made it easier. So you unscrew it, you get this off. Well, I don't know what type of tweeters y'all got, but I think these are 1-inch tweeters or something like that. I'm not sure. But I take a knife. You can use anything sharp, whatever. You know what I'm saying? I use a knife. It's not the easiest thing. I made it easier when I had got a lighter. You know what I'm saying? I lightened it and made it easy to cut. So really, you just cut the circle big enough for the tweeter. Now let me see this fit before I even do that. So it almost fits. But you gotta be a little bigger. Yeah, it almost fits. So you just cut around the edges and make the hole bigger. And that's really it. So just in case I didn't give y'all enough details on how to do it, you know what I'm saying? I'm just cutting around the edges. It's a little tough if you use a knife, you know what I'm saying? I'm just making this hole bigger so I can fit the tweeter inside there and screw the back piece we took off and get it back on there so the tweeter won't go nowhere. Now, this is a little tough, so I will show y'all me doing it, but y'all gotta bear with me. Alright, y'all, so I just finished cutting the hole bigger. Try to set y'all up right. So boom. This is how big I cut it. Like I said again, if you're using a knife, it's gonna be a little tough, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna be a little tough. But you can't handle it, you know what I'm saying? So boom, you put this through the front, push it in there, boom, turn it however you want it. If you can. There we go. Now, the back piece we had in the beginning, screw this piece on the back. Now you don't have to, if it won't go, it won't go. But it should be able to go. I don't think I got my hole big enough for it. So I can still put it on it, but I can't really screw it in all the way. But the back piece is not really a indeed need, but it just why not have the piece that came on it. Y'all see what I'm saying? Yeah, just screw on there. Mine's screw on there. Even though my hole's small, well, it's just right, honestly. Alright. Yep. But then this shouldn't matter at all anyways. So boom. Let me take this off the wires. And yeah, so then all you do is just put it back on here. Now on the other one, I did take this off, but I don't think it was like a need. I'm pretty sure the that's gonna install it, fix it up. So I'm not really so called worried about it. So all you do is just snap this back on there really. Damn, look at that match, y'all. Let's get my old one. If I would have did something to it, I ain't connect to my old car. Boom. Yeah, you just snap this on. Yeah. You go like this. Snap this back on there. Boom. And that's it. So my back ain't tight, so. But I don't care. It matter. It ain't hurting. And it's going on driving that maximum. Okay, man. Alright, let me stop. Yeah, that's really it for that. For the tweeters, you know what I'm saying? Now I'm ready to go in here and see if they could see how much they charge to wire up some audio. And yeah, I'll hit y'all back. Alright, YouTube, you know what I'm saying? I ain't picked the camera up in a little minute. I think the last thing y'all seen me do, I was outside of the place where I was going to get my speakers and everything wired up. But ended up, they told me that I should just come back with the Apple CarPlay and do it all at once. Turn that down. So I'm gonna just wait till whenever that come in. It should come in tomorrow, but he says it's gonna take all day, so it's not gonna come in the morning. So all right, now I gotta pick a day to get all that shit installed. But right now, I'm with. Oh shit. She mad 24/7. But I ain't doing nothing interesting, honestly. Don't be doing nothing for real. Chilling out. Probably go do something later though. But I might end the video here if I don't do shit else. But if I do, I'm gonna pick the camera back up. But if I do end it, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Yeah.